Welcome to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid School channel. I am Sridevi Kanke. I am going to teach you English subject for grade 3. Dear students, in the previous lesson we have studied about lesson number 5, that is the camel and the car. Now today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 6. What is the lesson name? The apple pie. So before starting up the lesson, I am going to introduce some characters in the story and I am going to explain a short summary. Okay, now what is the characters are there? Characters are that old woman is there and a young woman and then one mother and there some children are there and else one kitten is there. Okay, these are the characters in the story. And what is I am going to explain you a short summary, that is the old woman, she wanted to eat apple pie but she doesn't have apples, she having a plums. So she decide and she'll go to the market where she'll find a young woman where they started talking to each other and the young woman said that my family want to eat plum jam. So the old man, what she said that you all take my plum. She gave all the plum to her lady, to that lady, and in that what she made a deal that young woman, she gave all the full bag full of feathers. Okay, full of feathers she gave to the she gave to the old woman. Okay, this is a just introduction I have given you the story. Now we will start up the lesson. Dear students, before starting up the lesson, I want to tell you that when I am teaching you all, just keep finger, okay, and then wherever the new words are there, that you all underline there. And new lesson we are going to start at apple pie, page number 45. So our lesson number 6, the apple pie. Before starting the pen, you want to eat all candies, sweet dishes? Yes. So we are going to solve some puzzle in this lesson. So can you see here, children, what is there here? Can you see the pictures? Yes. What is this? Ice cream. Yes. What is this? Apple pie. What do you see here now? Can you see here? Candy. Yes. And a cake. So in this puzzle, can you see here some letters are there. It is now you are going to find out sweet dishes. Okay, find sweet things in this puzzle. Okay, so let us see. First we will see out the ice cream is there, apple pie is there, candy is there, and then cake is there. So can you find here? Yes. Can you see here? CANDY. What it makes? It makes a new word, that is what? Candy. Yes. You all allowed to eat? Yes. CANDY. Candy. Very good. So next we will find out here. Can you see here? Nothing is there. It makes some word here? Yes. What it is? CAKE. What it makes? Cake. Correct. CAKE, cake. So you are solving the puzzle here, dear children. We have solved 2, and next we are going to see here. What is here? APVH. It makes something? No. Here? No. Can you see here? ICECREAM. Something is there? Yes. Ice cream. See here? ICE, ice cream. CREAM, cream, ice cream. We have solved this also. Now come to next. RH, nothing. P, no. PIE, yes, correct, that is PIE, pie. Now what is last one? UCOOKIES. What it becomes? Cookies. Very good, children. So we have solved this puzzle. So what they have said that find the names of 5 sweet things to eat in this puzzle. So 5 things what we have find out here: candy, cake, ice cream, pie, cookies. These 5 things we have find out. Now, so this is we have finished. So my dear students, so everyone open page number, yes, page number 45. Yes, I am going to read out the lesson. I am going to explain what is there. Okay, lesson number 6. Yes, here, once upon a time. Okay, once upon a time there was an old woman. An old woman, she wanted to eat an apple pie. Now dear children, tell me what is pie? Yes, can you all tell me what is pie? It is type of a cake. Okay, it is made with apples. So once upon one time what happened, there was an old woman. One old woman is there. So what she wanted to eat? She wanted to eat apple pie. So but she did not have any apples. Dear children, see, keep finger. But she did not have any apples. She wanted to eat apples, but she did not have. What she had not having? She did not have any apples. All she had were plums. You all know children what is plum? Yes, it is like a cherry type, correct? So, a old woman having all the plums. She wanted to eat the apple pie. So, what she can make this? So, what she did? She said, there must be someone. She said, there must be someone who has apples. She said herself that somebody wants plum. Somebody else want plum and they don't want apples, so she can exchange with her. So, but wants to eat plums. I will go to the market and see. So, what she said that? So, somebody wants plum. So, I will get that plums. So, where she went? I will go. Matlab the old woman, she won't going to the market and see. She will go to the market and see who has having apples. Okay, understood? Then next, she filled a basket. She filled a basket with plums. The old woman, she wanted to go market, so she took a basket where we keep things. No, when we go to the market, she took a basket with all the plums in that and started walking. So she started walking. Where she is going? She is going to the market. Soon, what she got? Soon she came to a farm. Soon she came to a farm where a young woman was feeding corn, C-O-R-N, corn to her hands and geese. Okay, when she is going to the market, old woman, where she came to a farm. Okay, where is farm? You all know farm, children? Yes, where hens, cocks, cows, goats, you all keep there na farm we having. So she went to the farm. That where they can see one young woman was there. Young woman was there, and what she was doing, the young woman? She is feeding. She is giving corns. You all know you eat corns? Yes. She is feeding corn to her hens and geese. Now dear children, here new word is the geese. What is geese here? Geese meaning gut. Duck, you know? Yes, duck. And it is kind of a duck with hen. Hen is female. Cock is male. Cock, hens. Goose, geese. So she is giving all the corns to the hens. She is feeding. She is feeding corns to whom she is feeding? Hens and geese. Now the young woman and the old woman. Now both were meeting. Yes, who are there? Young woman and old woman began to talk. They came. They were what they were doing? They were talking. The old woman told the young woman about the apple pie. Now when they started talking, what the old woman said that she said about that apple pie she want to eat now. She said all the things. Children, keep your finger where I am reading. Yes? Now we have come to a new word, that is apple pie. Yes, we have covered that also. Can you see here, children? Yes, can you see here? Who is this? Yes, old woman. And who is this? Young woman. These both are there. When she went to the market, she came to a farm where young woman, what she was doing? She was feeding corn to hens and geese. So here both are there. They were talking. They were talking. The young woman said that my family loves plum jam. Here the young woman, she said to old woman that my family loves plum jam. So young woman is telling to old woman that my family loves to eat plum jam. So but all I have to give you is a bag of feathers, said the young woman. Now what that she said that my family want to eat jam, correct? So what she said that, but what I will do in that case, they will meeting a deal. If you give me all plums, what she can do is she is having only feathers. Whom having feathers? This young blue color is there, no? Young lady, the young woman, she can give only a bag of feathers. Now dear children, feathers, new word is there. What is feathers? Yes, the hen is there. Yes, whatever upper part, correct? And birds, that is feathers we have on their body, that feathers. She can give out full of feathers. A bag of feathers will be easier to carry. Now what the old woman is thinking that she is very old. Can she carry to very far away with that heavy plums? No. What she said that feather is very light weighted. So what she said, it is very easy her to carry. It is very easy to her to carry. So I am sure I can get something nice at the market for these pretty feathers. So what the old woman was thinking herself, that feather is very light weighted, very easy to carry, and she thinking that if I can sell these pretty means very beautiful feathers, if I will sell to the market feathers, so she will get a thing, nice money she can get. In that money she can buy apples. So why? If she will get apples, then what she can make? Apple pie. So she thinking like that. She all thought means what? She was thinking all the things. So she made, so they made the trade. T-R-A-D-E, trade. She made a trade. Here new word, children. Trade means what? They made a deal. They made a deal. That what they made deal, that if old woman, she will give a plum. So what young woman will she will give? She will give bag full of feathers to old woman. The old woman went on. They have taken. Correct. They have exchanged. They have exchanged the things. The old woman, she gave all the plums to this young woman. She having a bag full of feathers. She have given to old woman. They have exchanged. They have made a deal. Okay. And then after that, the old woman went on. After the taking a bag full of feathers, she took and she went on. She is going on the way. Soon she passed a mother with many children. So on her way, old woman, what she seen there here? She saw a mother with many children. They were standing in a doorway. Where she was passing that way, she see a mother having with many children. What she can see here? Children were standing at the door and looking very sad. Those children are looking very sad. What is the matter? Asked the old woman kindly. The old woman was going and she saw. And she said that, what is the matter? Asked the old woman kindly. We don't have any bread. Here, we don't have any bread and we have no money to buy more, answered the mother. So when the old woman asked her that what is the matter, the mother replied, we don't have any bread to eat. The children were not having any bread to eat and there is no money. Money we want to purchase anything you want to take in a shop. What we ask the shopkeeper? They ask first our money. Yes. So the mother doesn't have any money to buy more. So answered the mother. The old woman put the bag of feathers in the mother's hand. When she heard all those things, the old woman was very kind hearted and she thought that she gave all bag of feathers to mother. Make a pillow. What is pillow here, students? Here pillow means when you are sleeping, under your head what do you keep? Cushion, correct? Pillow. So with that feather, old woman said that mother, you take this all feathers and make a pillow from this and sell it. Old man said that you take all the feathers and make a pillow and sell in the market. When you sell that, you can get that money, isn't it? So from that money what she can buy? She can buy bread to their children. Yes. So buy some bread with that money. Who said this, children? The old woman. Very good. So dear children, you all understood till what I have explained? Yes, very good. So we'll go further. Yes. Quickly means fast. Quickly she went on her way. She gave all the feathers to that mother and she is going on her way. And but a few minutes later the mother ran up to her. What the mother? When she gave all the feathers, mother what after a few minutes, I don't have much to give you. I don't have much to give you. All the gift others, so nothing she gave. Mothers, she is very sad. She doesn't have any money or many apples. So what she can do? She can give. See, let us see here. Said the mother, I don't have anything to give you, old woman. So she said, but here is a kitten. Now dear children, new word here, kitten. What is kitten? Yes, the young one of a cat. Cat baby, young one of a cat. What is that? Kitten. So that mother gave kitten to old woman. He will good company for you. What she said that? She has given that kitten to her old woman and she said that good company. Now here, what is company here, children? New word, underline this. Good company means a good friend to you. Good company for you. Someone who will be a good friend. You having a good friend now? He will be, you can share, you can say something. Yes, a good company is a good friend for you. So the kitten was put into the basket and the old woman continued to walk. Here, so the kitten, the old woman, she took the kitten, it was put it in the basket and she was, where she was going, children? She was going on her market way. Then right before her, when she is going on her way, what she can see there? She saw an apple tree. On her way, she took kitten and she was going on her way. She see a big apple tree full of ripe. What is ripe, children, here? R-I-P-E, ripe. Ripe means it is ready to eat. Okay. Ripe red apples. The tree is full of apples. Were the reddish. What yummy apples you can see there. So it grew beside a small house. Where is that? A small house there. Beside that and big apple tree, where you can see reddish red apples, yummy apples. What she wanted to eat. There was an old man. There was an old man sitting under the shade of a tree. Yes, children, now tell me, big trees are there. When a sun is there, so much hot, or if something raining is there, what you will do? Yes, you will want to have something, you want to sit some for time and you want to go. Why? It is some shade is there, correct? Under tree. So that old man is there now. That old man was sitting under a tree. Why? Because that shade is there, shade of a tree. Those are good apples, said the old woman to the man. The old woman said that they are very good apples. I don't care. I don't care, said the man sadly. Here the man who was sitting under the tree, that man also said that I don't care. He said very sadly, I am lonely. Why he was sad, children? He was alone. I am lonely, he said. No, he was alone. Old man, he was alone. So he was sad for it. Again, just then the kitten called from the old woman's basket. What the kitten says? Meow. Yes, cat. What it is, row? Yes, meow. Yes, that. When he said that lonely, the cat was, kitten is there in the basket, he's come out and said that meow word. So, take him. The old woman, take him, said the old woman. He will be good company for you. So, old woman having a kitten. So, she gave that kitten to the old man. He was alone now. So, it will be very good friend to you. Okay, children, understood till what? Yes? Yes? We have across a new word here, trade. That is a act of taking something after giving something else you have. Here trade means what? A dealing is there. For example, your friend is having chocolate and you are having a pencil. So what do you do? That your friend wants pencil or he wants chocolate. What do? You will exchange yourself. So that is a dealing or a trade. And again new word we have come across, that is good company. What is that? Someone who will be a good friend. So a good friend is nothing but a good company to you. Now after that, thank you, said the old man. So he was lonely. So the old woman gave kitten. He was very happy. Can you see children here? Yes. Here. Take as many apples as you want. The old man was very happy. Why he was happy, children? Because he got a good friend. What is that? Kitten. So he was very happy and he said that, old woman, take as many as apples you want, you can take from this tree. So the old woman was very happy. That night the old woman made a large apple pie. So she took all that apples and she went to the home. She made a large, means a big apple pie. She sent her neighbors some pie. The old woman, she made a big apple pie and what she did? She was sharing to her neighbors. She sent some of the apple pie to their friends, neighbors beside their house. Then she sat down. Then what she said? She is given and she sat down to eat a piece herself. So after that she took one piece and she wanted to eat herself and she thought that it was a wonderful pie indeed. What is it? What she wanted that day, she got that apple pie. Okay, dear children, understood? Yes. Now children, I will ask you some questions. So it is the end of the lesson. See, can you see here children? The old woman, she is having what she is, can you see here? A kitten was sitting in the basket and an apple tree. Can you see a big tree? What can you see here? Red apples were there. And a old man. Why he was happy or unhappy? He was sad. He was unhappy. Why he was sad? Because he was alone. No one is there. No friend is there. So what she given here? She is given a kitten to the old man. And then he was happy and then he said that you take as many as apples you can take. So she took all the apples and she made a big pie. Okay children, so it is our end of the lesson. So can you all, now this is a new words underline. Now I will give you, this is an activity I am going to give you children. What you need to do is, we have in this lesson we have studied about apple pie, correct? So what you do children, you take apples, so you make anything. You can make apple juice, apple pie or apple cake, anything, whatever it may be apples, and then you stick or you write the description in the activity book, what you have prepared. Understood children? This is the activity for you all. You make apple thing from that and you write description in the activity book and paste that also. What is the picture of that? Okay? Thank you.